Welcome to the channel. Today, we're exploring the timeless beauty of the 1965 Mercury Custom Coupe, a car that perfectly blends elegance and performance. Known for its bold design and distinctive style, this classic Mercury represents a golden era of American automotive innovation. The 1965 Mercury Custom Coupe was a standout in its time, boasting sleek lines, chrome accents, and a presence that turned heads everywhere it went. Under the hood, it packed a powerful V8 engine, offering impressive performance and a smooth ride that made it perfect for both city streets and long highway cruises. This was a car designed for those who valued luxury and power in equal measure. Inside, the Custom Coupe was all about comfort and sophistication. With plush seating, intricate details, and a spacious cabin, it provided a driving experience that felt premium and refined. Mercury's attention to detail set it apart from other cars of the era, making it a favorite among enthusiasts who wanted more than just transportation. It was about making a statement. The 1965 Mercury Custom Coupe isn't just a car, it's a piece of history. Its unique combination of style, performance, and craftsmanship makes it a true collector's dream. Whether you're a fan of classic cars, American automotive history, or just appreciate timeless design, this Mercury is a gem worth celebrating. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible automotive stories and trends. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 1965 Mercury Custom Coupe and if it's a car you'd love to own. Stay tuned for more classic rides, and we'll see you next time.